And guys, so this is our day 2. Kapon nag-rest lang kami and nag-eat. Ngayon ano tayo? Island hopping. Sinerte kami ngayong araw kasi what a good weather it is, no? Hindi siya mahangin. Kapon mahangin. Naglalangoy yung mga bata. Ang ganda ng tubig.
Nag-book pala kami sa Wow Siargao.
Wow Siargao. So Wow Siargao daw yung aming tour, traveling tours.
For only 1,229 Tri-Island tour.
Yeah. So what time is it? Time check, it's 8:39. So yung pick up nandoon mismo sa kung saan ka tumutuloy, doon ka mismo pipick upin. So no need to go anywhere else. Tapos dadaling ka direkta dito sa Pantalan. Yan yung mga barko. Mga bangka.
So our itinerary for today is a famous Tri-Island here in Siargao Island at the municipality of General Luna, namely Taguyam Island, Dikit Island, and Tadapo Island. So our first stop is Guyam Island. Estimated time arrival going there is 5 to 10 minutes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you and mabuhay. Salamat! Welcome to our first stop, the Guyam Island. So Guyam Island is a private island. We don't have cottage in here, but all cottages are free po, Madam Sir. It's free po yan for sharing po. And then we will stay for a minimum of 30 to 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour stay. You can go swimming, but the swimming area will be in there for your safety and security. If you have concerns or requests, tawagin niyo lang si Joy. Thank you so much!
Yan, so nakababa na kami on our first island. What island is this?
Guyam Island.
Guyam Island. So ang ganda ng buhangin, guys. Siyempre, buhangin check muna tayo. Kawaii, G! So, merong orderan ng burger dito.
Guyam's Burger.
Yan, Guyam's Burger. Or bibili kami. Yan natin. Yung mga menu nila. Ayan na guys, so dumating na yung burger, yung Guyam Burger. Pakita mo nga, G. Alright. Sarap mag-burger habang may kumakanta sa gilid. At ang daming naliligo. Munang kagat. Thank you, Lord.
Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan.
Ina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, 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 kapayapaan. Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay isa. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan.
So everyone, Madam Sir, welcome to Tadapo Island. Since we have our lunch in here, you can bring all your stuff to our cottage.
Ayan, so our food is ready. As you can see dun sa likod. Boodle fight siya. And ang daming laman, no?
Sure.
May mga mangga, shells, fish, seafood.
Go na po.
Thank you. Ito yung saang. Dito natin siya kukunin.
Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw. Paghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan.
Support that bar. And then we have here for almost 30 to 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour stay. After this, we're going to have a surf.
Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw. Paghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, 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 kapayapaan,
So everyone, this is the end of our tour. We thank you for choosing Walshagal Travel and Tour. On behalf of our team, maraming salamat. This is Joy is now officially signing off. Thank you so much.
So, tapos na. Ayan. Tapos na yung aming 3 island tour.
Thank you po. Joby again, di ba? Yung sa inyo, Sir Yuli.
Joy, kaway, Joy!
Hello po!
Joy,
Back
Joy.
winner again! Mag-share daw na po kayo!
So, dito lang din kami galing kanina. Nag-start yung tour ng alas 9 ng umaga, I think. And alas 4 na ngayon. Ito na yung Salvaro.
Salvaro, guys. Ay, kakatapos lang ng aming island hopping. Tapos, merong Salvaro dyan. Nagtitinda. Sarap. Mmm. Mmm. Sarap.
Sarap. Ano
Premium.
lasa? Ayan, so bumalik kami ng Afam Bridge. Bikaway. So, nakita siya ng Vietnamese cuisine dito. And na-miss ko yung food sa Vietnam. And, order kami na, ano yung mga in-order natin? Spring rolls. We got the spring rolls. We got the pho, syempre, hindi mawawala. And yung favorite namin na buncha, no? Or what I like to call the buncha dakimasu. Legit siya, naamoy ko na. Kasi yung Vietnamese food, meron siyang special smell na maalingasaw sa ilong. And naamoy ko na siya. So, ayan. Titikman na natin siya isa't isa kung talagang legit siya, legit. Alright, let's go guys.
kapayapaan.